The sponsor of House Bill 278 says she believes that law enforcement has been too restricted in how and when they can check if a driver is in the country illegally. But some law enforcement associations say the bill as written might infringe on constitutional protections. Republican Representative Nellie Nickel of Billings says she brought the bill because the Montana Highway Patrol has faced accusations of discrimination over checking immigration status during traffic stops. In a 2015 settlement, MHP adopted a policy saying troopers can't stop someone or prolong a stop just to check their status.
That is exactly the department that we would like to have uncuffed, to be able to ask without worrying about another court case.
Nichols said her goal was, by making immigration checks mandatory for all traffic stops, it would alleviate concerns about racial bias. MHP's Field Forces commander spoke as a proponent of HB 278, but organizations representing local and state law enforcement officers said they opposed the current language, because checking everyone's status without specific suspicion might infringe on the constitutional right against unreasonable searches and seizures.
Do we violate the citizens' constitutional rights by running this immigration status check because it is a shall? Or do we run afoul of the policy and the Montana code that requires us to do this?
Those groups said they'd be open to the bill if it was amended to change shall check to may check. Some opponents had broader objections. Patrick Yawaki, representing the Blackfeet, Rocky Boy, and Fort Belknap tribes, said tribes were worried the bill could lead to discrimination against their members.
As the largest minority who shares similar physical characteristics as Central and South American peoples, we see how House Bill 278 will create high risks of wrongful detention and higher risks of trauma.
Nichols said she's open to discussing whether to amend the bill to meet the law enforcement group's concerns. The MHP commander who spoke Wednesday said currently, troopers generally don't look further into someone's immigration status if they provide a valid driver's license. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.